Hi, good morning. This is Maurice Guzon. I graduated last October 2017 in Cebu Institute of Technology University. The profession I took while in college was a Bachelor of Science in Hotel Restaurant Management. During those times, I experienced a lot of learnings and also a lot of different types of customers, the great ones and the good ones during my OJT days. Those times really taught me on how the customer service works, especially in face-to-face, and also that made me polish on what I am now, and also I applied it on my work experience before. And I can say that I have the skills that been looking in a customer service industry, the resilience, the adaptability, a good team player, and also can work under pressure. Hello, John. This is Maurice. I am your business loyalty program a solution provider. Your account alerted me regarding an expired promotion or devices. I would like to review your bill and equipment log to see if you are maximizing the full promotional rate and most updated device. This can save you an average of 10 to 15% on your monthly bill. You can call me back or text me at 619-882-8940. Once again, this is Maurice and the number is 619-882-8940. Thank you for being a loyal customer and I am looking forward to talking with you soon.